today, ang aming gender reveal and baby shower together. The party will start at 8 o'clock. No, the party will start at 6 o'clock. So, 5 o'clock pa lang, nandito na kami sa venue. Papakita namin sa inyo yung venue. And then, pinrepare na namin lahat, yung food. So, eto, sisimulan natin sa venue. So, eto, andito to sa The View, dito sa may condo namin, sa ilalim. Isa to sa mga amenities na meron yung mga tenants dito sa condo. Inoccupied lang muna namin itong area na to. So, ito yung ginawang design ng mga friend ko kanina. So, kulang pa to. Wala pa kasi yung mga cake and cupcakes. Pero later, kukunan ko din ng video para makita nyo. So, ito, mostly, binili lang namin yan sa Amazon. Yung balloons, yung decals, yung backdrop, kasama din yan sa in-order ko from Amazon. Tapos yung the rest, pinahiram na lang ng mga friend namin or katrabaho namin. Like yung table, yung mga pang-cake decor. So, inaantay pa namin yung cake kasi i-deliver pa lang galing sa friend namin. Tapos ito, hindi ko na sila minandatory na magsuot ng pink or blue na damit. Sa kung ano yung hula nila sa baby namin, anong gender. Magsusuot na lang sila netong baller or bracelet na color pink or color blue. Kung ano yung magiging hula nila sa baby. It's either girl or a boy. And then, meron din ditong pin kasi baka in case na maubusan kami nung bracelet. So, pwede din silang magsuot ng pin kung girl or boy ba yung bet nila. And then, ito naman, ito yung ano natin sa kanila, pag-giveaways. Thank you for celebrating with us. And then, itong baby boxes, kasama din yan doon sa in-order ko or binili ko. Tapos, ayun yung decal. What will baby be? Boy or a girl? So, yun yung itsura niya, guys. So, ito yung napili namin ni Aki na maging theme. Kasi gusto ko sana is neutral lang. And sinabay kasi namin yung baby shower aside from gender reveal. Kaya hindi rin alam. Para yung mga bisita naman namin, hindi sila malito kung ano yung pwede nilang i-offer, ganyan, or dalhin. Kasi neutral lang yung magiging theme natin. So, yan. More on ano lang siya, bear theme or brown. Brown na theme. Tapos, eto naman sa area na to, guys. Napakaganda dito sa The View. Hindi ko mahanap yung remote. Kasi, ayan, meron siyang TV. So, dito na talaga to sa condo, yung espresso machine nila or coffee maker. Tapos, since walang nakalagay dito kanina, nilagyan ko na lang ng spoon and fork. Tapos, yung mga tissue namin, and then yung paper plate na lang yung gagamitin namin. Tapos, guys, ito yung mga handa. Ito yung handa namin at saka yun. So, may mga inaantay pa tayo. Maraming salamat pala sa mga friend na nagluto, tumulong na magluto. So, yun guys, ang naging sistema namin, hinatid ko na lang yung mga ingredients na kailangan nila. And guys, eto na yung okay, gaganyan. Yeah. Konti lang yung kukunin namin para hindi naman masyado. Sobrang ganda ng cake, guys. Sobrang ganda.
Damihan mo para lubog na lubog.
Simple no tayo.
Oo naman, but very elegant.
Tito, damihan nyo para lubog.
Huwag ka nang sumulat dito. Ito yung mga cupcakes.
I-reveal. Tigil sa kayo. Magkabilang side kayo ni Kuya Aki.
Okay.
Isang ganun kayo, ha?
Oh, sige.
Tapos,
Pero anong kulay nasa loob?
syempre secret.
Ay, secret! Ano ba yan? Kala ko sasabihin mo na eh. So, ito yung mga cupcakes niya. Ito, yung suggestion name box. So, pwede silang maglagay dito ng mga suggestion nila for girl name. Then, ilalagay na lang natin Luella sa box. Tapos, sasabi ko na kanina, ito yung ano natin, take away sa kanila. Yan, baka... So, yun yung setup, guys. Dumating na yung cupcakes and cakes. Ang ganda, di ba? This one is our cake maker. Pag gusto nyo pong umorder ng cake, mag-message lang kayo sa kanya.
Pag may time ako.
No, you always have time. That's business, no?
No.
Tapos, meron kami ditong papaitan from Kuya Juni. Maraming salamat. Ay, hindi kita.
Hi, sir.
Tapos, lasagna from Ate Sham. Thank you so much. Lumpia and maha for Ate Luella. Thank you so much. The rest, ginawa ko na yan. Pansit for Kuya Mark. Thank you so much. And kasaba for Ate Chef. Di pa dumadating, pero thank you. Ano pa ba? Macarons for Ate Rhea. Maraming salamat. And what else? And show my later for Kuya Feds. Thank you.
Alright, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Welcome to Aki and Irene's baby shower and gender reveal party. I've seen the bands. I feel like there's more team. Alright, so for our first game, I need 10 volunteers. 10 volunteers po. Ang prize natin ay ang Toyota RAV4 ni Aki. Knees, head, shoulders, toes, knees, head, come. Alright, thank you. Please stay. And those who are not holding a cup right now, you may take a seat. So those who are holding a cup, please stay. We have to eliminate at least 2 of them, and then we'll do another round. So you stand on the side first, and then you do the next round, okay?
700.
All right. Head,
Yeah, no.
knees, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, head, toes, knees, toes, head, toes, head, shoulders, head, come!
Very easy, Bray, for you.
Sino muna sa elimination round? Sino muna? O sige. Tapos kung sino mananalo sa inyo, siya ang kakalabanin ni ate. O sige. Head. Shoulders. Kili-kili. Head. Shoulders. Toes. Head. Come. Okay, now it's your turn.
Girl, 2 days ka na lang daw kasi sa team. Hindi ka naman siya Si Brian na daw talaga yung ano.
Whoever wins this round takes home Aki's Toyota RAV4. Alright, ready? You guys ready? Shoulders, head, knees, shoulders, knees, head, toes, knees, head, cup.
Great job.
What's your name?
Ay, sa bakit ako rin, raptor.
Thank you so much. A round of applause to please. Alright. Sayaw, sayaw. Junie! Ayan, congratulations, Junie!
Talo ko sana sa akin.
3, 2, and 1!
Actually, we wanted to become a girl because Aki really wants to borrow every girl's small baby, whoever he. But I always tell to all my friends that whatever it is, of course, this is a gift from God. So yeah, it's a blessing for us, and we're very thankful because most of the people that I've known that they encountered their pregnancy journey, they're boys, like those babies that they're having a boy. Most of them have a hard time. I didn't expect because this baby just give me nonchalant thing. So you guys all know that. So I didn't feel anything from this baby. It didn't give me any hard time. He's just letting me to work and work. Though I didn't also ask for anything that giving Aki a hard time for any food. But thanks for everyone that's coming here and celebrating with us. So in 2 months from now, this baby will come out and we will see na.
Thank you for all of you coming here. And even girl or boy, it doesn't matter. That's mine.
Are you sure?
Alright. In 3, 2, 1!